everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to delete columns in Excel. So this tutorial will cover 1. How to delete a single column. 2. How to delete multiple columns that are adjacent or next to each other. And number 3, how to delete multiple columns that are non-adjacent to each other. So make sure you stick around till the end. To delete a single column, put your cursor at the top of the column that you want to delete. So I want us to delete column E, which has April sales. So once you're there, press the left mouse button to select the entire column, and then press the right mouse button and these options will pop up. Then go to delete and click on it. So April sales have been deleted and column E has been replaced with the May sales. So we have March here, and then April is missing, and then we have the May sales. So to delete multiple columns that are continuous to each other, select the first column that you want to delete, and then while pressing the left mouse button, move your mouse to the direction that you want to delete the column. So you can either move to the right or to the left, so it depends. So once you're done selecting, release the left mouse button and then right click and then click delete. So there you go. So that's it about deleting multiple continuous columns. So to delete multiple columns that are non-adjacent to each other, select the first column that you want to delete and then press the Control key on your keyboard as you select the other columns. Okay, so once you're done selecting, release the Control key and then right click, then click delete. There you go. So that's it about deleting columns in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye!